Hey future entrepreneurs! If you've ever dreamed of taking control of your destiny, launching a brand, and building your empire, stick around. In this video, we'll explore why Shopify isn't just an improvement, it's a whole new game changer for go-getters like you, whether you're into e-commerce, dropshipping, or building your online presence. Stay tuned with the Financial Context channel for the details. Shopify isn't just another e-commerce platform, it's your ticket to independence and success. Forget about the ordinary. Shopify is your launchpad for crafting, managing, and skyrocketing your own online business. This user-friendly platform puts the power in your hands to sell products, shape your brand, and create a legacy. Why embrace Shopify? Instant launch, no fuss, skip the complexities of setting up shop. Shopify simplifies the process, allowing you to kickstart your online venture hassle-free. Tailored to your vibe. Unleash your creativity with customizable themes, colors, and layouts. Your online store becomes a reflection of your unique style and brand. Fortress of security. Shoppers demand secure transactions. Shopify answers the call with integrated security measures and multiple payment options, giving your customers the confidence to shop freely. Growth without limits. Whether you're stepping into entrepreneurship or looking to level up, Shopify adapts to your journey. With various plans, this platform grows with you. Professionalism is key. In the competitive landscape of online businesses, projecting professionalism is not just an advantage, it's the key to standing out and gaining the trust of your potential customers. Shopify understands the importance of making a lasting impression, and that's why it offers a suite of features that elevate your store's professionalism. Premium themes for a polished look. First impressions matter, and your store's appearance sets the tone for your brand. With Shopify, you have access to a wide array of professionally designed themes. These themes are not just visually appealing, they are crafted to enhance user experience, ensuring that visitors to your site have a seamless and enjoyable journey from landing to checkout. Responsive design for every device. Professionalism extends to functionality. Your customers will access your store from various devices, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Shopify's responsive design ensures that your online store looks and functions flawlessly on any screen size. This adaptability not only enhances user experience but also boosts your credibility. Customization without complication. While Shopify provides you with polished themes out of the box, it also understands the importance of expressing your unique brand identity. The platform allows extensive customization, so you can tailor the look and feel of your store to align perfectly with your brand. From color schemes to typography, you have the freedom to create a store that resonates with your vision. Secure transactions for customer trust. Professionalism isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about reliability. Shopify places a strong emphasis on security, ensuring that transactions on your store are encrypted and secure. This commitment to safety not only protects your customers but also establishes your store as a trustworthy place to shop. Robust customer support. A professional operation requires professional support. Shopify provides 24/7 customer support, ready to assist you with any challenges you might encounter. From technical issues to business advice, having reliable support at your fingertips ensures that your business runs smoothly. Analytics for informed decision-making. Professionals make decisions based on data. Shopify equips you with robust analytics tools, offering insights into your store's performance, customer behavior, and sales trends. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions, optimize your strategies, and continuously improve your business. Please check the link in the description to sign up for Shopify. The App Store edge. In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, having a competitive edge is crucial. Shopify, recognizing the dynamic nature of online businesses, introduces a game-changer, the Shopify App Store. This marketplace of applications is more than just an addition, it's a strategic advantage that propels your business forward. Unleash the power of specialized apps. One size doesn't fit all in the business world. The Shopify App Store opens up a treasure trove of specialized applications designed to address specific needs and challenges. Whether you're looking to enhance marketing efforts, streamline operations, or optimize customer experiences, there's an app for that. These apps serve as powerful tools that can be tailored to your unique business requirements. Plug-and-play simplicity. Integration shouldn't be a headache. Shopify's App Store simplifies the process of adding functionality to your store. With a user-friendly interface, you can seamlessly browse, select, and integrate apps into your Shopify ecosystem. The plug-and-play simplicity ensures that you spend less time navigating complexities and more time focusing on what matters, growing your business. Stay ahead with innovation. The digital landscape evolves rapidly, and staying ahead is the key to success. Shopify's commitment to innovation is reflected in the App Store. Regular updates and the addition of new apps keep your business at the forefront of industry trends. Whether it's adopting the latest marketing strategies, incorporating cutting-edge technologies, or adapting to shifting consumer behaviors, the App Store positions your business as a leader, not a follower. Customize your growth strategy. Every business is on a unique growth trajectory. The App Store recognizes this diversity by offering apps that cater to various business models and stages. Whether you're a startup aiming for rapid expansion or an established brand fine-tuning your operations, the ability to customize your growth strategy with specialized apps gives you a competitive advantage. Community-tested reliability. Trust is paramount in the digital realm. The apps featured in the Shopify App Store undergo rigorous scrutiny. Many have been tried and tested by the vast Shopify community, providing valuable insights into their reliability and effectiveness. This community-driven approach ensures that you can confidently choose apps that have proven their worth to businesses similar to yours. Responsive support for peace of mind. Introducing new apps can sometimes raise concerns about support and compatibility. Shopify addresses this by providing responsive support for apps featured in the App Store. With dedicated support channels, you can navigate any challenges or questions, ensuring a smooth integration process and ongoing reliability. In essence, the Shopify App Store isn't just a marketplace, it's a strategic tool that amplifies your business capabilities. By leveraging specialized apps, embracing innovation, and customizing your growth strategy, you gain a competitive edge that propels your business towards sustained success. Explore the App Store and unlock the potential to transform your Shopify store into a dynamic and adaptable e-commerce powerhouse. Please check the link in the description to sign up for Shopify. Are you ready to seize it? Say goodbye to the ordinary, and hello to the extraordinary world of entrepreneurship with Shopify. Whether it's a passion project, a creative endeavor, or taking your current business to new heights, Shopify is the game changer you've been waiting for. Embark on your e-commerce adventure today. Begin your free trial with Shopify by clicking the link in the description, exclusively from the Financial Context channel. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Shopify, where opportunities aren't just improvements, they're revolutions. If you're ready to take the plunge into entrepreneurship, hit that link in the description to start your free trial with Shopify. Subscribe for more tips and advice to fuel your entrepreneurial spirit. Until next time, good luck with your Shopify empire.